By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to sign into Gemini AI, create your account if you don't already have one, and start using Google's AI assistant in just a few minutes. If you've been hearing about Gemini AI but don't know how to get started, don't worry, I'll walk you through every step. Let's make tech make sense. Before we begin, here's what you'll need: a Google account, an internet connection, and a web browser like Chrome, Edge or Safari. If you already use Gmail, then you're already halfway there. Open your browser and visit Gemini. Once the page loads, you'll see Google's Gemini Home. Click the Sign In button at the top of the page. If you're already signed into your Google account, Gemini may take you directly to the chat page. If you have multiple Google accounts, choose the one you want to use. Don't have one? Click Create Account and follow the instructions. Congratulations! You've successfully signed into Gemini AI. You're now ready to start asking questions and exploring what Gemini can do. Now you can ask Gemini. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. Today, we learned how to access Gemini AI, sign in with a Google account, and start using it on your computer. This setup only takes a few minutes, and once you're in, you can start asking questions, generating ideas, writing emails, and much more. Now you're ready to make the most of Gemini AI? Now that you've successfully signed in, the next step is learning how to ask the right questions. In the next video, I'll show you how to write your first prompt in Gemini AI and share simple tips to get better answers every time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find it useful. If you have any questions or there's a topic you'd like me to cover next, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Tech in 2 Minutes, where we make tech make sense. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next